So this is the last part number 3 of our Deebot repair. We ordered a wheel. We couldn't get a new wheel. You can't get any replacement parts out there what are brand new. This is a refurbished wheel. Costs around $35. Took about 2.5 months to get here. Let's open that up. And for all of you who haven't seen that first 2 videos yet, that was the time I put it apart, and you should have now something what looks like this, like a 5th grader science project. And we try now to install the wheels. Now the box is, you see how it's packaged already. Well, we'll see what's in there. So we need that wheel. And I hope I ordered the correct one. Well, we will see. Maybe cut this. It comes complete with spring. This is our old wheel. This is the new one. Now, I just hope I can put that whole mess back together. Especially, I didn't mark any wires. So we will see what this vacuum cleaner does after I finish it. I hope it don't go in circles again. I also didn't mark which screw goes where, so we have different sizes screws. And yeah, so I gotta figure that all out, or I gotta go back and watch my video when I put it apart. Well, let's see. I know there was a screw where we screwed from this side or not. I thought there was on the side a screw. I'm not sure. Well, first we gotta figure out which screws belong where. So let's see. Should have marked them a little bit, put them in separate containers. This one goes in easy. I really thought there was one on the side. I put far too much stuff apart also, because all this you didn't need to unhook and take apart. Hold on. It looks better. Let's go out and put it on the floor and see what's going to happen. If I don't get this to run again, my wife will make me vacuum for the next 10 years by hand. Now we take the whole thing and give it a shot and hope it works. Okay, we are fully charged, so just let's start it and see how it is doing. I hope it worked correctly. So we let it go for a little while and see what happened when it bumps into something. I know it's dark, it's seems like it's doing a good job.